Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Ranchi location. It is from Jharkhand. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for volunteer brand development consultant for Parivartan Social Foundation. So it is from Taproot Foundation located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. So coming to job description, they are looking for volunteers who can help them in fine tuning their digital platform like LinkedIn or Instagram or Twitter page to make it more appealing so that it can spread awareness in society and more people can benefit from their initiatives. So volunteers can support them by sitting in their homes for this initiative, and students and teachers of remote rural hill areas of Uttarakhand were isolated due to sudden lockdown. So they were not aware of any online classes nor have had used any technology tools in education. On top of it, their financial stability made it difficult to adopt it. So they started their efforts from there, and so far impacted more than 55K students already. So their efforts are still going on for several others at no cost for them. So they need volunteers who can help them in spreading awareness via appealing social media pages to a larger section of their of our society. So you please check with the job description provided here. So it is from Taproot Foundation. So for more detailed information in order to apply for this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link, and I'm going to provide that website link in the description for your reference. You can check in the description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for area sales officer position. It is from Supro Consulting located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. So coming to job description, recruit advisor, generate business through the advisors, and lead the team of advisors, motivate them to achieve targets, and providing training and guidance to them. So coming to qualification details, you should be having about 2 years of experience in sales and marketing, and graduation is required. So these are the qualification details. So the age should be between 24 to 35 years. So bike is compulsorily, so it will be needed. So interested candidates to apply for this area sales officer position, you can for more detailed information you can visit in the official website link, and I'm going to provide the website link in the description for your reference. So you can refer in the description for the website. Next one, there is a job opening for executive operations position. It is from Mahindra Logistics located in Ranchi. So coming to candidate profile, you must have having a good written and oral communication skills, and the candidate should be having 5 to 6 years of experience in logistics or customer service preferable, or MIS or transportation or data analysis and reporting. And the candidate should be having excellent communication skills and excellent knowledge with MS Office or MS Excel or PowerPoint, and also experience in making reports, Excel, and writing emails to customers. So these are the desired candidate profile. And coming to job description, you should be responsible for handling day-to-day hub operation that involves loading and unloading, timely departure of line haul or feeder vehicle, and you should be having team management skills and also vendor management skills, and you should be capable of proper utilization of manpower and manpower handling, and query resolution of external and internal customers, and ensure 100 adherence to the set and agreed SLA and KPI for hub operation, and DEPS management skills are required. So these are the some of the details provided here about this job position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in the official website link, and I'm going to provide that website link in the description for your reference. So you can check in the description for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for animator position. It is from Home Culture located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. So they need a logo, 2D animation, and some product campaigning. So interested candidates, in order to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is homecultureindia@gmail.com. Next one, there is a job opening for volunteer website design consultant for Parivartan Social Foundation. So it is from Taproot Foundation located in Ranchi. So they require volunteers to help them in developing their website and blog site while sitting their homes. So students and teachers of remote rural hills areas of Uttarakhand were isolated due to sudden lockdown. So this is like first job in the video provided. So you please check with all the details provided here about this job vacancy. So for more detailed information about this job vacancy, if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in official website link, and I am going to provide that website link in the description for your reference. So you can check in the description for the website link to apply for this job. Next one, there is a job opening for volunteer marketing strategy consultant for Parivartan Social Foundation. It is also from Taproot Foundation located in Ranchi. So you please check with all the details provided here. And for more detailed information, you can visit in the official website link like previous job role. So I'm going to provide that website link in the description. You can refer in the website link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for state lead located in Jharkhand location. So it is from Path. Coming to required skills, you should have done MBA or MPH or MHA from a reputed university or higher level qualification, and preferably in public health or in another relevant field such as a doctor, and advanced degree and or training in public health. And you should be having above 7 years of progressively responsible leadership roles in the design and or delivery of public health programs and research, with a preference for experience in working on RCM program in India. So you should be having 4 to 6 years of experience of leading program operations in a state, and also experience in managing a team of 5 to 10 members for conducting team operations. And you should be having knowledge of supply chain management in healthcare will be an asset. And you need to work with a high degree of autonomy and independence in line with the project goals and objectives. And the candidates must be self-starters and committed to performing their duties with minimum direct and day-to-day supervision, and work creatively and analytically in a problem-solving environment, demonstrating teamwork, innovation, and report on project success criteria, results, metrics. So these are the desired skills for this job position, that is a state lead. So in order to apply for this position, interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careersitehelp@path.org. Next one, there is a job opening for intensivist position. It is located in Ranchi. So it is from Masadir. Coming to job description, you should be a MD or DNB from a reputed institute with good academic background is required, and you should be having 0 to 3 years of experience to apply for this position. And if irrelevant, kindly share references of your friends and colleagues. So interested candidates, you can check in the website link provided in the description. So I'm going to provide the job website link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for advocate position. It is from RIMS located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. So here are some of the details to apply for this position. Like eligible candidates, or you can send your applications in the enclosed pro forma along with your biodata and also relevant supporting documents like self-attested scanned copies PDF to the. You need to send your application to the recruitment rimsranchi@gmail.com. So you need to send your application to the provided mail ID provided here. So in case the attachments are voluminous, I mean extra large, the documents may be compressed or zipped, or it may be shared by over an online drive link. So documents must be clear and legible, and seals or stamps or signatures or names or authorities or dates must be clearly visible, and hard copies are not to be sent, so unless asked for. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about the application process for this advocate position, you can visit in the official website link provided here, that is www.rimsranchi.org. So you can visit in the official website link provided here for more detailed information for application process and other detailed information about this job opening. So last date for application process is 31st May 2021, and applicants received after 5 p.m. on 31st May 2021 would not be considered. So procedure for empanelment. So you please check with the application procedure provided here, and for more detailed information, and I told you that website link is provided here for more detailed information. You have a look on this once, that is www.rimsranchi.org. One, there is a job opening for digital marketing position. So it is from Marketerella Business Solution. It is located in Ranchi location. So here are the main tasks that an intern in digital marketing can undertake. So these are the some of the responsibilities to follow to this position, like community management, designing social media campaigns, creating social media content, answering customers comments or questions like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram, and you need to manage the company's official website, writing content for the company's blog or website, and you need to create content for mail diffusion, newsletter or online diffusion, and follow up and improvement of SEO, helping the marketing team to follow up and improve the digital marketing strategy. So these are the responsibilities to apply for this digital marketing position. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. So I'm going to provide that official website link in the description for your reference. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.